1. Which Photoshop feature allows non-destructive editing of an image? A. Flattening layers. E. Smart objects. C. Rasterizing layers. D. Merging layers. 2. What is the purpose of using layer masks in Photoshop? A. To apply filters permanently. B. To selectively hide or reveal parts of a layer. C. To combine layers permanently. D. To resize an image without loss. 3. In Photoshop, which blending mode is best used to darken an image? A. Overlay. B. Multiply. C. Screen. D. Soft light. 4. What is the function of the clone stamp tool? A. To duplicate a selection. B. To replicate pixels from one area to another. C. To adjust brightness. D. To apply vector shapes. 5. Which Photoshop panel controls the visibility and order of elements? A. Layers panel. B. Adjustments panel. C. Navigator panel. D. History panel. 6. What shortcut is used to quickly toggle between foreground and background colors? A. Control D. B. X. C. Alt Shift. D. C. 7. Which adjustment is best for modifying overall tonal range and contrast? A. Hue saturation. B. Levels. C. Color balance. D. Gradient map. 8. What is the purpose of smart filters? A. They allow filters to be applied destructively. B. They allow filters to be resized. C. They allow filters to be editable and non-destructive. They merge all filters permanently. 9. Which Photoshop feature allows you to save multiple editing states for later? A. Channels. B. History snapshots. C. Color profiles. D. Presets. 10. What is the function of the healing brush tool? A. To apply solid colors. B. To fix imperfections by blending pixels. C. To crop unwanted areas. D. To duplicate exact pixels. 11. Which file format preserves layers for future editing? A. JPEG. B. PNG. C. PSD. D. GIF. 12. In Photoshop, what is kerning? A. Adjusting line height. B. Adjusting space between characters. C. Changing font style. D. Adding drop shadows. 13. What does the Quick Selection tool do? A. Selects areas based on shape. B. Selects areas based on similar colors and textures. C. Selects only entire layers. D. Selects only rectangular areas. 14. Which tool helps remove red eye from photos? A. Spot healing brush. B. Red eye tool. C. Clone stamp. D. Eraser tool. 15. What is the purpose of adjustment layers? A. To flatten all layers. B. To apply image edits non-destructively. C. To duplicate background layers. D. To merge multiple images. 16. What does the Dodge tool do? A. Darkens pixels. B. Lightens pixels. C. Blurs pixels. D. Sharpens pixels. 17. What is the primary benefit of using vector shapes in Photoshop? A. They cannot be resized. B. They remain sharp at any size. C. They cannot be edited. D. They are pixel-based. 18. Which menu option is used to apply filters? A. Edit. B. Filter. C. View. D. Layer. 19. What does the eyedropper tool do? A. Fills an area with color. B. Samples color from the image. C. Creates a new color swatch. D. Adjusts brightness. 20. Which Photoshop tool allows freehand selections? A. Lasso tool. B. Magic wand tool. C. Rectangular marquee tool. D. Slice tool. 21. What is the purpose of the liquify filter? A. To add sharpness. B. To distort and reshape parts of an image. C. To crop images. D. To apply textures. 22. Which color mode is best for print projects? A. RGB. B. CMYK. C. Grayscale. D. Indexed. 23. What does feathering a selection do? A. Expands the selection. B. Contracts the selection. C. Softens the edges of the selection. D. Sharpens the edges. 24. What does rasterizing a vector shape do? A. Converts it to editable text. B. Converts it to pixels. C. Converts it to a smart object. D. Converts it to a mask. 25. Which Photoshop panel allows color adjustments with sliders for primary colors? A. Swatches panel. E. Color panel. C. Histogram panel. D. Channels panel. 26. What shortcut is used to undo multiple steps in Photoshop? A. Ctrl+Z. B. Ctrl-Alt-Z. C. Shift-Z. D. Ctrl-XX. 27. Which option in Photoshop saves an image for web optimization? A. Save as. B. Save for web. C. Export as PDF. D. Save as PSD. 28. Which tool allows precise removal of backgrounds using paths? A. Pen tool. B. Magic eraser. C. Gradient tool. D. Crop tool. 29. What is the main function of the smudge tool? A. To blend pixels. B. To blur an image. C. To sharpen edges. D. To erase areas. 30. Which file format supports transparency? A. BMP. B. PNG. C. TIFF. D. PDF. 31. What does the history brush tool do? A. Erases all edits. E. Paints using a previous state of the image. C. Duplicates layers. D. Blurs an image. 32. Which feature is used to align and distribute objects evenly? A. Layers panel. B. Properties panel. C. Align tool. D. Crop tool. 33. What does clipping mask do? A. Merges two layers. B. Uses the shape of one layer to mask another. C. Converts pixels to paths. D. Applies gradients automatically. 34. Which blending mode is best for lightening images? A. Multiply. B. Screen. C. Overlay. D. Hard light. 35. Which file format is most suitable for high-quality printing? A. JPEG. B. C. TIFF. D. GIF. 36. What does the magic wand tool select? A. Similar color areas. B. Entire layer. C. Rectangular area. D. Vector shapes. 37. What is the purpose of layer opacity? A. To change blending mode. B. To control transparency of a layer. C. To merge a layer. D. To delete a layer. 38. Which option allows transformation of scale, rotate, and skew? A. Free transform. B. Warp tool. C. Crop tool. D. Puppet warp. 39. What is the use of guides in Photoshop? A. To align elements precisely. B. To apply filters. C. To create color swatches. D. To crop images. Or D. Which shortcut activates free transform? A. Control-T. B. Control-R. C. Control-P. D. Control-F. 41. Which adjustment is best for changing overall color intensity? A. Curves. B. Hue saturation. C. Levels. D. Exposure. 42. What does the burn tool do? A. Lightens pixels. B. Darkens pixels. C. Sharpen pixels. D. Removes pixels. 43. Which Photoshop option allows saving multiple artboards? Export as. B. Save for web. C. Save as PSD. D. Flatten image.